Hello and welcome to the Load Testing with LoadView video tutorial. In this video, we're going to cover the configuration process of a basic load test with LoadView, a cloud-based load testing solution by Dotcom-Monitor. First, we need to pick a type of the load test depending on our testing goal. If you have any troubles with choosing the right type, just check our wiki for help. For this demo, we are going to test a single web page speed performance under the load. And the URL we will test is newyorktimes.com. Make sure to give your test a unique name here so it can easily be identified among multiple tests. Now we are ready to create the test device. The next step is to set up our test scenario. But first, make sure the device validation passed successfully. Otherwise, fix errors in the device settings. Let's move to the execution plan. At this point, you can select from different load patterns. We'll select the load step curve. With this type of test, we can create any type of load curve by adjusting the ramp up and down rates and number of concurrent users and time periods. The load curve chart appears next to the settings section. Next, let's go to the load injector payload sector and calibrate the device to ensure optimal distribution of virtual user load across load injectors. LoadView runs a free mini test to achieve an average LI server CPU load of 70%. Our advice here is to apply the recommended values. And of course, you can always adjust it to meet your testing goals. Let's move on. In this section, you can configure load testing of web resources that are not available from the public internet. You can choose to send all traffic from static public proxy IPs, or you can install and use our on-site agent to send traffic from within your local network. Next, we'll add one more geo-region to simulate where our traffic is coming from. Let's assume we expect our users from the US only, so we will pick the Eastern, Central, and West zones. When we are ready with this scenario, we can check our summary and run the test. After all confirmations, it will bring us to the report page with real-time chart progress. Here we can see a graphical representation of our execution plan, average response time, and errors that occurred while executing our scenario in real time. The last chart shows an accurate representation of performance of the load injector servers which are running in the test. Additionally, we can find the details of every session in the session report. From here, we can drill down even further into more details for the breakdown of every single element that loaded on the page during that session. On the top of it, we can play back the video of the task execution on the reference server. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to try a load test yourself, please contact your sales representative, our technical support team, or check our wiki page for more detailed information. Thank you for watching and happy testing.